Otherwise, man, say it's your boy Paul thing, and we back with another video. Yeah, so as you saw from the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing a few things on the Saint, you know, my baby over here. So yeah, let me just show y'all what I buy. So I bought headlights. Okay, not headlights, I bought globes and bar extras. Yeah, I had to. So as you saw from the previous video, that's one on the screen, I put crystals in and I was still rocking the orange lights. Yeah, if Shama's 20, the guys, please drop a like, comment and subscribe so I can get money to slam no interior, please. But yeah, I bought LEDs. Yay. Bought LEDs and a few other lights. So yeah, we're gonna install those ones. Got globes, everything. We're gonna make the car look sexy. So without further ado, come I just place you on there. Plus, oh yeah, you'll see the fetish in the ways they're waving. Boring. Let us go on. Away. So yeah, obviously first things first. I must make a hard long black for you so you can see me. Yeah, look hard. Oh yeah, and just so by the way, we're starting the merch. Starting my merch, Pearl the same merch. Don't forget, go and copy yours now. Send me a message on Instagram to order. Relax, man, relax, bro. Okay, say hello. Come say hello. Okay, never mind. Move here. Go move. I move you. Yeah, I'm coming out with a new drop soon. Go, move. Hey, I'm coming out with a new drop soon. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, so gonna take old clothes out so long, and yeah, I will speak with you all then. Okay. So yeah, it's just mind the engine bay. I need to wash the engine bay, but you know, to wash the engine bay is very stressful, man. But yeah, so I must also clean up those wires and not. And we unplug, take this off, and then yeah, this is actually where the globe starts. So we loosen that and shazam. This is ugly globes. Those ones we throw them front to joke. We don't throw globes. So what happens if you need them? So yeah, so this is the main headlight, the big one, and we're also doing the small ones, the centers, the inners, as some of you know. That one's already out. I took it out because I had to go use it as a sample. Then we come this side. Yeah, please just leave my wires alone. I'm gonna sort them out soon, okay? You, why you so hard, brother? Okay, wait, I'm now back. Wait, think it no. Yeah, please come now, come. Thank you. You unplugged. Thank you. Say one. Let me say two. And shazam, brah. This is what we do. Kaka globes, ugly globes. And then that's what I should say. That one is a mother. That's one you. Oh, it's not. But yeah. Then we unplug it from there. And I'm now back with you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna start with those ones. I'm gonna start with the main O's, né? Because why not? But now I also need a tripod. Yo, see, nonsense thing about working alone is you don't have anyone to hold the phone for you. But anyways, come ma try and put us things in sooner and a man say out. How do you go in, bruh? Oh, like that. Just like that, ne? Yo. So basically, there the light is in. Then on connect just connect him like that. Yeah, wait, connect him like that. Yes, Lani. Yes. Hey, wacht biki. Wacht biki, come on. Yeah, see, makeshift tripod, chop, fasting. Bah. There, the light is installed. There is it. And a fan and all. But now, I forgot. I must put us back. Yo. How we gonna make now, bruh? Yo. Who my comments? No, this thing must go on here. Can we try something sharp fast? Now wait, guys. Okay, so what happens is I found out now that those things can come apart. But now when I put it in here, see this dula here. Ek moet hom so bikkie chop. So yeah, I'm gonna go chop him and I'm gonna come back just now. Give me 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But for you it's gonna be like now.
So yeah, you see I told you, few minutes. So I cut it off. It's fine, it doesn't have to be perfect. No one is gonna see it because this thing's gonna be blooming like this. Okay, so let us try again.
So yeah, you see, ek het hom maar ingesit. I found a way. Where there's a well, there's a way, Lani. So, see how saggies is blooming the inside. Come I mount you here so we can both see this thing together. Okay? Ja, ons gaan maar die ding saam witness. So, we're gonna witness same together. Ja, die ding maak blind toe. Is blinding the eyes, Lani. Sure. Okay. On to the next one, Lani. On to the next one. I must stop looking at myself. I'm looking at the camera. Look at yours.
So yeah, no, I must then cut this thing again for the other side. So yeah. But I don't know if you guys even want to see those here. So yeah, this one is just nice. See, just cut it off so you can fit in. I just turned it inside out, just so by the way.
And then yeah, I did a little bit circle to get this one inside, but we got it inside. Then we must now just take the light and plug it inside. Hey, it go in a certain way. Yo, look where I was facing the camera. It goes in a certain way, so you have to be very careful. You understand? But yeah, let me just put it in because I need 2 hands for this. Unfortunately, I can't put the phone somewhere to hold so I can show you guys. Yeah, so there's it inside. And then yeah, plug it.
And then yeah, yalla. So yeah, 1, 2, it's looking lekker actually. White actually makes it look white is right, especially for a color code on a car. Yeah, white is right. White just makes a whole lot of a difference. It makes the car look so much better. Now to do the inners, what the inners do, because I bought for the inners and I bought spotlights and I bought reverse lights or reverse globes and indicator globes for the back. So you're gonna see how they look. You know, my car is my baby, man. You know, it's life of being single. I mean, can't give my love to someone, gotta give my love to my car, and you know what I'm saying.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you,
We don't care.
So man, I'm done-ish. Yeah, unfortunately I had to stop and go somewhere, hence the sky is pitch black now. But yeah, we finished-ish. I just have to do the one side for brights, and also I have to make a few adjustments because the lights that I bought, the lights that I bought are a bit too long, so they're shining inside, so they're not shining properly. But yeah, I'm gonna fix that and I'm gonna show you guys how I fix it. But yeah, let me turn the camera around and show you how far we got. So yeah, I just changed the globes on the back. Unfortunately, I can't show you reverse now because there's no place for me to put my phone at the back of the car. But I will show you guys, don't stress. You can see a difference. It has its on. So they go bright and dim when I freeze and it's down at the same time. And then yeah, this is basically them just with the freeze. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please make sure to drop a like, comment and subscribe for more upgrades, builds and what of me builder singed and stance. So yeah, please make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what you wanna see me do next on the car. I already bagged the car. Interior is coming soon. I'm saving up for interior, so bear with me, please. Like, let's do minor things for now. Maybe I'm gonna do a C-notch next. Extended mounts and drop it. But for now, small places, small places. My daily is my project. Peace out. For now, let me shut up and go and smoke my pipe. It's your boy Bola Saint signing off. Thank you and thank you as well.